Big names like PayPal, MoneyGram, Society General, and even the United Nations are now using or exploring Stellar or XLM for real-world payments and also for tokenization and digital money transfers. With over 700% growth in smart contract usage, a major network upgrade called Protocol 23, and billions of dollars are moving into tokenized assets, Stellar is quietly becoming one of the most important blockchains in traditional finance, possibly setting up for its biggest breakout ever. In today's video, I'll show what's happening right now, why big institutions are choosing Stellar, and how recent events could affect the price of XLM. And at the end of this video, we will also take a look at the live price chart of Stellar as well to show you my price analysis on the charts. First of all, let's start with what makes Stellar different. While most blockchains focus on DeFi hype, Stellar is building the real financial infrastructure. Things like digital dollars, tokenized assets, international remittances, and instant cross-border payments. Recently, Stellar launched a major upgrade called Protocol 23. That is, by the way, boosting transaction speed to nearly 5,000 transactions per second. And all this happening using parallel processing. This makes it much faster, cheaper, and more scalable, and that is, by the way, perfect for global banking, remittances, and digital asset tokenization. The upgrade also supports zero-knowledge technologies. That is, by the way, bringing more privacy and cross-chain compatibility. Now, here is where it gets more exciting. PayPal's stable PYUSD is now using Stellar. MoneyGram is expanding Stellar-based crypto to cash services across Asia, Africa, and Latin America as well. Society General, which is, by the way, the French banking giant, is using Stellar for its regulated euro-backed stablecoin. The United Nations and IBM are using Stellar's infrastructure for financial inclusion and aid distribution. And all these projects are using real money, not just a crypto hype. And it's working. Stellar's real-world tokenized assets, RWAs, have now crossed $5.4 billion, making it one of the biggest chains for real-world finance. Smart contract activity has surged 700%, and institutional wallet growth is rising faster than the most blockchains. Now, how could this affect the price of XLM? Here are the major three triggers. At first, we have the institutional adoption, and with PayPal, MoneyGram, and even central bank level projects exploring Stellar, and demand for XLM as a settlement asset could increase sharply. At second, we have the net growth as well. The surge in smart contract usage, rising tokenized asset volume, and faster blockchain performance are really bullish signals for long-term value. At third, we have the regulatory friendly design. Unlike many blockchains, Stellar already supports features like asset control, compliance tools, and trustworthiness. And these things making it ideal for banks, governments, and large fintech players. However, in short term, XLM is still sensitive to market volatility. So while most people are distracted by meme coins, Stellar is quietly building the future of regulated digital finance and also tokenized assets and real-world cross-border payments. And if this trend continues, then Stellar could become a key player in the global financial system of the future. Now we are on the live chart of XLM, and this is the daily time frame chart, and this is the trend line that I've been showing you in my so many previous videos. And I was telling you that in order to continue this massive rally that was in fact begun here after the breakout from this huge falling wedge pattern. This was the wedge. Let me show you on the 7-day time frame chart, then it will be more visible for you. And on the 7-day time frame chart, this falling wedge pattern was formed. And after the breakout, I'm telling you even before the breakout that once the price then will be able to break out this huge wedge, then we can expect a very, very massive rally. And you can see that after the breakout, the price then rallied very well. And we have also broken out this channel as well. But this is the trend line that XLM is not able to break out so far. Now it is breaking down a very, very significant support zone that starts from 27 cents and goes to 25 cents. Previously, we had a long spike beyond this support zone here, but the price then could not break it down. The candlestick was not closed below this support zone, and therefore again it depends where this candlestick will be closed. If it will be closed, this weekly candlestick, by the way, we are talking about, if it will be closed below this support zone, then we can expect a further drop up to then next support of 20 cents, and we need to keep an eye on this support. That is a very long-term support that was previously working as a support here, and before that this 20 cent was also working as a support here in the month of June 2021 as well. However, the technical target for the breakout from this recent down channel that we have broken out is here at the top of the channel, that is approximately at 63 cents, and the long-term target, the technical target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge, that is somewhere between 80 cents to $1. Now this is the triangle that I want to show you again. And in my so many previous videos I've been showing you this triangle, and I was telling you that once the price trend will be able to break out this multi-year space resistance of the triangle, you can see that since after July 2017 it is moving inside this triangle. Then it can start a very massive rally, a very huge and powerful bullish rally. And in case of breaking out this triangle, the technical target for this breakout, by the way, this is the monthly time frame chart, and in case of breaking it out, the technical target will be here. That will be approximately at $50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.